A standard DUI charge is serious on its own, but when someone is injured, California law treats it as a separate and more severe offense under Vehicle Code 23153. That statute applies whenever a driver is impaired and their driving causes bodily injury to another person, which includes passengers, pedestrians, or other drivers. The key word is caused. The prosecution has to show your driving, not just your impairment, was a factor in the injury. This charge can be filed either way, and that decision belongs to the prosecutor. A misdemeanor filing is more likely for a single injured victim with minor injuries and no prior DUI history. A felony is more likely if the injuries are serious, if there are multiple victims, or if you have a prior DUI conviction within 10 years. A felony conviction carries significantly longer consequences than a misdemeanor. Compared to a standard first offense DUI, the potential penalties jump considerably. On the misdemeanor side, jail time can reach up to 1 year. On the felony side, state prison becomes a real possibility, and the base term increases further when multiple people are hurt. Courts also add what are called great bodily injury enhancements under Penal Code 12022.7, which can add years to a prison sentence on top of the base term. A DUI causing injury conviction triggers a mandatory license revocation, which is longer than a standard DUI suspension. For a felony conviction, the revocation can last several years, and in some cases it can result in a revocation that extends well into the future. The DMV also maintains an internal record of the conviction permanently, even after it no longer appears on the version of your driving record that employers and insurance companies typically see. The criminal case and any civil lawsuit from the injured person move on completely separate tracks. Being acquitted in criminal court does not automatically protect you from a civil claim, because civil cases use a lower standard of proof. Conversely, a guilty plea or conviction can be used as evidence against you in a civil suit. This is worth understanding early, because the two proceedings can affect each other in practical ways. If you are facing a DUI with injury charge, the decisions made in the earliest days matter more than in a standard DUI. Evidence like accident reconstruction, witness statements, and medical records can disappear quickly. An attorney needs to review the police report, the blood or breath test procedures under Title 17 of the California Code of Regulations, and any video from the scene. Results vary case by case, but acting early gives you the most complete picture of your options. Understanding what changes with a DUI causing injury charge is the first step toward making informed decisions. I'm Joel Brand, a California DUI lawyer. This is general information, not legal advice. If you want a free written case analysis, it is at DUI.guru.